Good morning, guys. Is it morning? Well, I'm not gonna tell you. But yeah, we're finally off of work and we're doing our first episode for the week, which is to find a bag. Yeah, I have that bag. It's a bag made by Gap, but I carry a lot of stuff in it, and I'm planning on, probably putting my camera in there, but I don't want to look too obvious that I'm carrying a camera. So we're gonna go to a sporting goods store and check out what kind of bags they got. Hey guys, I've been back from getting the bag that I told you about earlier, and this is what we got. It's a Kavu, it is the Kavu rope bag. Yes, because of these things right here. So you have rope as a strap, swing it behind you like that, and then you can swing it to the front like this, or so you can carry it like this. Now I'm going to tell you why you can carry it like this, or I'm going to tell you why you should carry it like this, where everything's in the front, and why sling bags that have pockets right here in the front, like the Atom? Yeah, somebody makes the Atom sling bag, and why it doesn't make sense to have something at the front. So I'm gonna be doing a review of this bag. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you a tour, even though I've only had it for a couple of hours. I can already tell you some stuff about it, like this one. The rope bag has two pockets. You can actually, in this pocket right here, the Velcro is pretty tough. It doesn't. So the Velcro is very tough. It doesn't open accidentally, although I wish they would have done something else with it. You can fit two socks in here if you want to put your socks in here. I have put my socks in here just to make it look more bulky. Or if you have an AirPod, it can fit in here. It can fit in this, even if you have a case over it, it can fit in there very comfortably. And this thing right here, I put my wallet. You can put your wallet. I don't suggest you put your wallet there. But the iPhone 7 Plus can also fit snugly in here, even with a case, and it's still got some room to put your wallet. It has a small pocket on this side, and I put the tags in here. But it's pretty. So if you want to know how big this part of the bag is, you can spread your fingers like that, and it can fit in there. So essentially, it's half the size of the bag. And if we measure it, it is 8 inches by 14. So I guess from here to here, it's 8 inches, and then from here to here, it's 14. But keep in mind that the shape of the bag is 8 inches on its widest part. It's probably, 5 or 6 inches? And it's 4 inches in this area right here, so it's 4 inches right here, but it can go all the way up to the top. So if you have something long like a tripod, like a Joby tripod, it can fit in here. I think the 3K Joby Gorilla Pod can fit in here, and the 1K as well. The largest Joby Gorilla Pod will not fit in this bottom part, in this bottom pocket right here. It won't fit. The biggest compartment is this part right here. is the whole width of the bag. So it's 11.5 at its widest, and you can kind of wiggle it to make it even more wider. So if you go diagonally, the widest it's gonna go is 12.5. So I have tried putting a 15-inch MacBook here. It won't fit. I'm not sure about a 13-inch. It's pretty, I don't think so. But if you have one of those Surface laptops, I'm pretty sure it can fit in here. This little pocket right here, you kind of, it just goes through here. So it's pretty shallow. You can put your valuables in there, right? Like your wallet. This would be a more prudent place for your wallet, right there. Or if you're gonna use it as a camera bag, you can put your memory cards in there. Probably your charger. Oh, if you're gonna use this to carry like your gaming console, like your Nintendo Switch, I'm pretty sure it can fit in the bottom part. And then you can carry an extra T-shirt or whatever. I'm gonna tell you why this is a good bag. Of course, it's lightweight. Sling bags cannot be more than 10 liters. If it is more than 10 liters, then that's a messenger bag that you're just lugging around. So that is not a sling bag. Sling bags are meant to be lightweight, not heavyweight. And I like this bag because I can carry it like this, and I can carry it also in the front like this without having to worry about, exposing my valuables, okay? So the reason why you want to carry this one in this position where everything is at the front is to deter thieves, because if they're gonna reach into your bag, you're gonna see it because it's right in front of you, right? You can see it. Oh man, where's that hand going? Why are you unzipping? Why are you unzipping my bag? Why are you trying to take my wallet? So that's the reason why this bag is awesome. You can also keep track of your chapstick pocket, your cell phone pocket, and you can access everything from the front. And if you don't want, you can carry it like a regular sling bag in the back. Now, sling bags that have like pockets, like cell phone pockets in the front, those don't work, right? Those are ridiculous. Like the Atom, somebody manufactures the Atom sling bag. If you have something over here, that defeats the purpose of having a sling bag. Okay, sling bag should all the things in a sling bag should be in this main compartment right here. Let me tell you why. Because one of the things why people wear sling bags is that they want to keep their stuff, close. You're carrying, I'm pretty sure you're carrying your wallet in your sling bag. You're carrying some kind of money, you're carrying some kind of valuables, your cell phone, as opposed to putting it in your pocket. Because if you have ridden in public transport, there's a lot of, sketchy folks that, go in your pocket, and without you knowing, they'll take out your cell phone or your wallet and your valuables. That's why you want to carry a sling bag with you. And there's a reason why you would want to carry it this way when you're riding the public transport, right? So when they try to feel for your bag and see where things are, you would instantly be able to feel it. And the reason why the cell phone pocket, the manufacturers put a cell phone pocket in here does not work is when you carry it over here, then you're exposing your cell phone, which is, probably what, $1,000, $600, $800. You'd best keep that cell phone. You'd best buy a cheap cell phone if you're gonna use that kind of sling bag. This is probably the best way to carry your valuables if you're traveling, because you know you can keep an eye on your valuables. When you have a backpack with you and you don't have, like, you know, locks or whatever, you know, people can, you know, slash your bag, and without you knowing, they'll steal whatever's in your bag. Now nobody's gonna be able to stop like a highway robbery where, you know, people point a gun at you, but at least the petty theft can deter most of the folks. Because, all right, and that's it for today. I'm just for today, you know, I'm just showing you my new bag. All right, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.